Welcome to Cambridge Montessori, little shoes by the open door. Smiling eyes, tiny backpacks waving to you from the floor. Safe arms, soft voices, every corner someone cares. You can breathe a little lighter, knowing love is everywhere. A little hands, big discoveries. Every day they grow, they see, touch and move. Like home each day. Quiet rooms, careful watching, train hearts in every class. Gentle hope in the morning, stories scattered in the grass. Wooden blocks, tiny puzzles, sand and water, paint and clay. Every moment has a purpose as they find their own way. Little hands, big discoveries. Every day they grow, they see, touch and move. Not a world behind a glass, but a world they hold and pass, step by step, so carefully we protect their curiosity. Little hands, big discoveries. Every day they grow, they see, touch and move, explore and be so free, so free. Here they laugh, they learn, they play while your worries fade away. Cambridge Montessori, Khammam, feels like home each day. Tiny hands, big bright eyes, trying buttons, tying ties, pouring water, stacking blocks so high, little steps toward the sky. Confidence grows in their own sweet time. Every I did it rings like a chime. Big smile. Painting swirls of red and blue, counting beats. 1, 2, 3, 2. Tracing letters softly in the sand. Stories blooming right in their hand. Life's
for watching the video. For more updates, please subscribe, share and comment.